Okay, first of all, just have just taken an A4 size sheet. It's a A4 size plain white sheet. Now we'll find the center of this sheet. Like just mark the center point of the sheet and vertically as well as horizontally. Join these lines. Like mark these two lines like this. Can you see this?
Yes, ma'am. But
Okay.
pencil is little like
Yeah, just I'll make just redraw this line so that just make our two lines like this.
yeah.
Probably we are making a 10 centimeter, 20 centimeter diameter mandala. So one line, I think it is now you can see it. I have just darkened it. Can you see this now?
Yes, ma'am. It's better.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now the next point is just place a protector like this. Straight line on the horizontal line and the 90-degree angle should be on the vertical line. After keeping this, just mark the points at 10 degree. Are you getting this? After placing the protector like this, just mark the points at 10 degree. The same way, I mark the points downwards also with a difference of 10 degree. So you'll get these points. How can I show you so that you can clearly it is visible to you? Are you able to mark these points? Have you got it? How I just said it?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Now what we'll do, we'll start joining these points alternate on the other side. Like one is on this and the bottom one on the other side. And then just join these lines. One is like this. And then second point from here and second from there. Crossing the center. Two lines. Basically, we have to use a very light pencil for drawing these lines as later on we want to just erase them after we'll make the mandala. So I'm just using a darkened pencil so that you can easily see. Otherwise, it is preferably use a lighter pencil to draw these lines. This is called a mandala grid. So this is the basic thing which we will start a mandala with. Join all the lines with the points. And take your time. Just let me know once you're done with this all the line, then I'll like tell you the next step. Can you see how I drawn the lines?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now this first mark the bigger 10 centimeter using the center and a compass. Draw the biggest circle. I think this is the biggest one I can make on an A4 size sheet. Then we'll make a very small circle at the center. Now see, once I'm just showing you, I'm going to make this one. So you can see here the center is a smaller circle with orange color. Okay, so I first drawn this circle. I'll erase the pencil lines so that I can fill a color here. You can use any brush pen or any color. So after making this circle, then we'll make a very line close to this small circle. Then around, take a gap and then make a circle like this. Then almost on the same gap, make 2-3 more circles. And one with the markings which you made with the protector. We'll stop here now. We'll just make the center first and then keep on adding the circles once we'll reach this point. Can you see this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Have you done with this much?
No, ma'am.
Yeah, please. Just let me know. Then I'll just proceed. I've got these fine liners in different colors. So you can use any pen. And for the fillings, you can use this kind of brush pens also. Shall I start with the color? Has everyone drawn
ऐसे
this?
चीजों पे
सबने ग्रिड बना लिया
लोग
है?
छोड़ते जा रहे हैं यहाँ पे ठीक
I'm just wait for 1 more minute. I think people are drawing it.
Yeah, please take your time. Hello.
Is there anybody who have not done it?
I'm done with the grid part and the bigger circle.
Sure. Now I'll start with the center. Whichever pen you are having, just I'm just filling it with the orange color. So I'll just first make a this kind of 2 points. We leave it as it is and then like this. So that portion will remain white and outer I'll color it with orange. I'll do it and then show it. I'm using a brush pen so that it will be faster. It will look like this. You can fill it with any color, any color. If you're making it black and white, it will look good. Like only use a black pen or a blue pen. You can use it in a single color as well. Got it? And making a boundary of this with hand. I just give it a boundary. Brown color I have used. After this, I am just going to show you what will be my first pattern in the mandala. I am going to make, I am going to show you like you can see the lines. First, start with any point and leave one line and then just make it like this, a slant line. Like this. So I have used 4 lines and make a petal like thing like this. Once I'll just complete it and then show you, then you just complete it. The purpose of making grid is that you will going to get a symmetry when you are using these lines to draw these patterns. The first floral part will look like this. Are you people doing it with me? Or you just want to watch?
I'm doing it.
Can you
Okay.
bring it a more closer?
Yeah, sure. First, I've just made this flower type of thing with the 4 lines is everyone done with this?
Ma'am.
Okay. Just make an inner boundary with any color or the same color. No need of like this. Just make a line just close to the previous line. Like this. No measurement is required in this. Just make 2 lines close to the line previously we just drawn. Better draw all the strokes in one direction first and then join them the other. Like first draw one side. Then start making the lines. Hello? Yeah, Krishna, you want to say something?
No, ma'am. My mic was on.
Okay. Okay. Are you also drawing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, my patterns are somewhat different. Ma'am, I'm using my own ideas somewhere. So,
Yeah, no problem. No problem at all. No problem at all. You can go ahead. In fact, I have drawn almost 300 mandala and I never just gone through it is very difficult to copy your own design sometimes. So I always go with the flow. Whatever pattern is coming in mind, you can draw this. So I'm just using a point and then just joining it like this. I'll make some simpler patterns so that who are the beginners can easily draw this. And once you'll complete this, all mandalas look very pretty. Later on, we will just, once this is completely dry, we can just simply erase these pencil lines. Once we'll finish with this now, so I would like to see all of you what you people have drawn. So anybody who wants some can ask me. Is everyone done with the grid and this much part? There is no hard and fast rules to draw whatever I'm drawing. You can use your patterns in case you can draw. Now I'm doing the just next, like the center point of these two petals. Just join this on petal. Take a center and then draw these two slanting lines and we'll get something like this. I'm just showing you after drawing this. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The same way it is always preferred to draw a line, two lines that will give more clarity. People are using a single color or you are having color pens also?
Single color.
Okay, no point, no issues.
Color pens.
Every mandala will look good. Even in fact, I have made so many with, I started with a gel pen, then I started with a ball pen, then gel pen, then now I have come to the fine liners. But I've never spent much money on the pens. So you just need imagination and a concentration and just draw your designs. Every mandala comes out to be very beautiful. I'm just doing the next step and then I'll show you what I did. Those who can see me can continue, but I'm just stop here after drawing this much and then I'll show you. Now the first small circle. Is everyone getting what I'm drawing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now just point vertical lines. Can you see this now? I have filled the
Yes,
space
ma'am.
with the vertical lines.
Participants can pin ma'am's screen for better clarity.
Now it is always advisable कि like first this small circle is we have drawn. Just make a very thin line so that it will separate the further design with this circle so much clarity. Just draw a thin line around it. We're not going to fill anything in this. We just make the boundary with the color and then I'll make the next pattern. And it is not at all mandatory to do like this. We can go in continuation also. But it is like the pattern is more visible after if you'll put the different lines in this. I've just drawn a line. I'll just make a color one so that you can easily see it. Let me do it with a color. At the end, we will just remove all these lines with the help of a eraser, the pencil lines. So the design will be more clear and neat like this. Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am, visible.
Okay. Now the kind of pattern which I make earlier, like the small long leaves type, now I'll take two patterns in the same way. I'll start joining like this. One. Now I'm just taking the 2 points. First I'll make one way and then I'll join the other way. Just leave 1 point between. Let me first draw the ones and then I'll show you. I've made one way lines. Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
समझ समझ में आ रहा है easily? or shall I elaborate more?
Ma'am, it is clear.
It is clear. So now I'm just going to join in the same way with the other pattern. Then I'll show you how I did it like this. You see the one? Make a leaf kind pattern and they'll just complete it and show you. Again, a flower kind of thing will you'll find. दिख रहा है सबको?
Yes,
Or it
ma'am.
is blur. Okay. In each pattern, there is a once you'll draw this kind of pattern, then just make a second line inside it. You can use the same color or different color. I'm just repeating the line inside. Is the speed okay or shall I go a bit slow? Are you able to make it along with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The basic thing is to make a grid, and after that just flow your imagination and you can make any pattern out of it. See, like this. Now I'm marking a center line in all of them, which is already there. I'm just drawing it with the color. Is it okay? And make half of the pattern just like you must have made leaves in your childhood. Just make the lines. I'm just using this color in the half of it and use a different color in the other half. Are you finding it interesting or is it boring?
I'm interesting.
It's a lot of patience is required to draw these mandalas, but at the same time, they give you a very calming and relaxing effect. In the same way, just complete these sleeves, making lines on the other side in the same way, slanting line. Let me show you how I'm doing it. Just have a close-up how I'm drawing these lines. Like this much I have done. How many of you are doing it for the first time?
I'm doing it for the first time.
Okay. So are you finding it interesting?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Just let me know how many of you have just completed up to this so that I will make the next pattern.
Done, ma'am.
Done?
Please
Okay,
wait
now
for a bit.
take the tip. Yeah,
Please.
sure. Take your time. Yeah, please, please.
If anybody is facing problem, they are free to unmute and ask.
Yeah, sure. I'm here to answer you all queries. I'm just drawing the first thing what I'm going to do. I'm not going to draw this circle line now. We will continue the pattern using the tips of these leaves kind of things which I have made. But the pattern is same. I think now you can easily understand by seeing it only. Like same way I have just drawn these lines and I'm just going to join on the other side now so that again I'll get some leaf kind of patterns again. See this. This is the next step. Without, you don't need to color that line in between the circle. We will not draw this with pen. I'm going to show you the pattern which I'm going to make out of it. Same way, I'm going to draw the middle line again, once again, the second line inside it. Viksit, are you recording this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are you also doing it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anyone who wants to ask any question?
Ma'am, in chat box, Neha Trivedi is asking that how many types of patterns are there in mandala, like leaves, lines?
You cannot just count. There are many patterns. What I am telling you, just basic, there are few patterns, but you can do anything with your imagination. I have drawn so many mandalas, so I have different patterns. In each mandala, I have used different patterns. Not even two mandalas are same. Some basic patterns are there, which like ones which I have shown you, like making this leaf kind of pattern, and then the second one I'm showing you. Otherwise, there is no particular as such design. You can make any out of your imagination. Can you see this? How much I have done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I'm going to make two lines. I'm just doing it in one and then I'll show you. One line and the second line is closer in fact, it is on that circle line. Two arc lines. Got this?
Yes, ma'am.
Like one like this and the other just touches the circle line and complete this pattern in the whole circle. If we'll go with the basic course of the mandala, the first thing is we'll teach the pattern sheets. First, you will practice the pattern sheet, and then we'll come to the grid. And here in the workshop, I'm just trying to show you the how. If you will get a mandala after the workshop, it will feel good. Otherwise, in the basic things, first pattern sheets are just given, and you have to just practice the patterns. And then later on, we'll come to the grids, and then we'll start making patterns inside the mandala. Have you got this pattern which I have done? Is it clearly visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now what we'll do, now the pattern which I'm going to make, It is a very basic in mandala. Just make like this in the second one and the third one. I think it is not visible clearly. Is it? Let me make it on a rough sheet and then you can see which I have already made a pattern. I have made like this and I just drawn an inner line. 1, 2, and then 3. And then we color the portion which is left. Something like this. Have you got it? What I'm going to do inside this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you have to fill all the portions which are left like this. This is what I'm filling now. Making 3 petals and leaving and coloring it. Something like this. I'm still left with you. Is it clear?
It's clear,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Just continue then complete this circle. Then we'll go to the next pattern. Now again the same pattern we'll follow. We'll join these lines like this. I hope you people are enjoying it. I'm seeing many people are leaving the meeting. Those who are drawing, are you enjoying it? Once you are getting that the pattern which is coming out to be very beautiful.
Yes, ma'am.
Again, I have just made the same pattern, taking the tips of the last drawn pattern and joining the middle point. The basic purpose of the grid is to get the symmetry.
Ma'am, do you prefer any particular brand for fine liners or the sheets that we are using?
See, what I've been using, the Luxor fine liners are pretty good to start with. Otherwise, there are Artline, Brustro, uh, Sakura Pigma. There are many brands. These are very expensive ones also, but I'll prefer these. Luxor fine liners are pretty good. These are 0.5 mm fine liner. These are pretty good to start with, and you'll get in colors is a 100 rupees packet for 12 colors. I'll prescribe this one for to start with. And then there are many like Sakura Pigma, Stabilo, Artline. So
And
these
what
are
about the
very
sheets?
fine. Sheets you can draw on any, like to start with, you can take any classmate notebook also. Otherwise, A4 size sheets, if you want like a very thick paper, pastel sheets kind of things, in different colors also, in white colors also.
Okay, ma'am.
I started with like this notebook, A4 size. I started drawing with this kind of notebook. So you can start with this also. Once you'll just compile it, there's a drawing book, classmate drawing book. It is a pretty thick paper inside it and very fine. You can start with this also. I'm just completing this floral line also with the inside lines. It is better to use a 1330 GSM paper and above for the drawings. Very thin paper will also not do.
मुझसे किस टेस्ट की पूछा है? मैंने ही तो भरा है वर्कशॉप के लिए। उधर से व्हाइट शीट ले आओगे? हाँ ना, उधर से ले आओ।
Now I'll close this circle. क्लियर है सबको?
16
Yes, ma'am, it's
Yes,
clear.
ma'am.
Okay.
अब हो नहीं पाती वीडियो कुछ
Now make these small circles I'm making and fill the bottom part. If any left after draw the circle. Just draw a little small circle at the join. Same curved line just above it, 2 lines. Is it clear to everyone? Let me show you. Once I'll finish this, the whole circle, then I'll show you how it is looking. Now I'm making vertical lines in the upper part. After 2 lines, I have made some
It is not clear, ma'am. It is blur.
yeah, just a moment, I'm trying it.
Yes, ma'am. Now it's fine.
Okay. Something like this. Now I'm just drawing the same pattern. This time out of 3 buttons, we are going to have 5. A very small few space will be left for the color. This will be our pattern for the next. There will be going to 5 petals as we had 3 in the last pattern. First draw the center one and then 2 on this side and 2 on the other side. And color the space which is left.
Manvi, you want to ask something?
Yes, please. Me?
No, no, it's okay.
No, it's fine, ma'am.
Okay. Are you people finding it useful? Like, are you really getting to learn? You're learning to how to draw, or you're finding it difficult to draw?
It's quite relaxing.
Yeah, it is. You need a lot of patience for this because each line is going to take time to, complete. It's easy to decide the pattern and the filling into the whole circle. It takes a lot of time. I hope everyone is drawing,
Yes, ma'am.
or some of them are there also, those who are only watching. See, already it is looking, I think it's looking good. I'm trying to show you. Is it clear? I don't think so. Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am. It's clear.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Now just to cover up this circle, earlier we drawn the vertical lines. This is what I'm going to do. At the center of this, I'm just drawing a semicircle and then a line, 1.2, 3, a small kind of flower kind of thing, half of the flower. Same way we did.
Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am, after you are done
yes,
with the
please.
outer circle,
Yeah,
can we start with the quilling one?
yeah, sure, sure. Just I'm just finishing it off, just to make a boundary of it, and then we'll stop it here only. Then we'll start with the coiling.
Yes, ma'am.
अरे स्केल तो स्केल तो स्केल पड़ेगी पर ये पटका है ना
Now I'm just giving it a boundary now. The same way I did with a smaller circle.
कहीं का प्रश्न वर्कशॉप में बुलाया है तुम्हें भाई
Like this. I'm going to fill this by vertical lines very randomly. See, this is sort of mini mandala is ready. Can you see? Is everyone done with this?
If anyone wanted some more time, can unmute and speak.
Shall I stop it here only, na? Can you please just,
Yes, ma'am, that-
whosoever is finished with this, can you please show me what you have drawn? I would love to see.
Yes, ma'am. 1 minute.
Dash.
Still on the last layer drawing the inverted glass.
No, please take your time. Oh wow, Anju, you did a great job. I thought you know mandala earlier also.
Hello, ma'am.
Is this for the first time?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, this is really great. That means I'm able to teach you,
Ma'am,
right?
can you see?
Yeah. Devusmita, it's very, very pretty. I'm seeing that you have used some of your fat also.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Manvi, very nice. Thank you. Looking at all this, I'm seeing like I have just seen my mandala many times. You have just very nice, Manvi. Great.
Thank you, ma'am.
You all can upload your artworks on the Google Drive. The link is in the chat box.
Whoever is done with the mandalas, they can upload in the Google Drive. That way, we will present the screen and we will be able to see them better.
Ma'am,
Please.
I had a question.
Yeah, please tell me.
How did you started your art journey?
Actually, I started with quilling only. Yeah, I started in 2016. Actually, my daughter got a project in quilling from school in 8th standard. Okay, so I need to make a tea light for her in quilling. So I just started with that and I created interest in quilling. And after that, I have made many projects, many like you can see. Once I'll show you, this is the quilling mandala. So it is all about the practice. Right? This is called on-edge quilling. Actually, Viksit wanted me to teach this because it takes a lot of time. For this, you need a like printout kind of thing. Then you have to just quill over that printout. So I have a lot of things to show you in quilling, and after that in quilling, and then I'll suddenly after quilling I have made so many of like you can see the flowers which I have made. Can I show you the whole box? I have around 600 kind of flowers which I have made. Can you see? There is no limit to the imagination. I have self-taught, I have just practiced and I have not learned from it and anywhere. You can see the roses as well in quilling.
Ma'am, these all flowers are of different shapes.
Yeah. Different shapes, different weights, different some quilling patterns.
Wow. Beautiful.
So I have made so many of like custom projects also, some for like wall murals and wall paintings and quilling, floral. So I'm going to teach one of these flowers right now. After this, you will finish with this mandala. So this is just now my like it's 2016 I started and then I just practice is the practice makes a man perfect. So I just practice it on the daily basis. Now I am doing mandalas for also last 1 year. But I draw a mandala on a daily basis. Like I usually draw one mandala in a day. Whenever I'll get just my free time, I'll do this quilling or either draw a mandala. These are few flowers. I'm going to show you how to make these flowers. These are the basic flowers which I'm going to teach you today. And these are kind of leaves you can make easily. Is everyone done with the mandala drawing? Anyone wants to show me? I would be happy to see what you people have drawn.
Ma'am, can I ask one question?
Yeah, sure, please.
Ma'am, is there any restriction of pattern which I cannot draw in mandala?
No, no, no. As such, no restriction is there. Restriction is not there at all. You can draw anything you want to. Just make the grid and then make the similar patterns and keep on doing it. There is no restricted or any fixed patterns that you have to go this way. Some grids I have drawn only through compass only. There is no such as hard and fast rule is there of making a mandala. See, this one I have made. This is in the single color. You can try this kind of bookmarks also. In this, I have not used any grid kind of thing. No specific patterns. You can use any. See this one. These are few very simple things in this I have used. Yeah, please, anyone who wants to show me, let me start with the quilling then, because it is also going to take time. How many of you have got this quilling needle?
Yeah, ma'am. I'm doing my mandalas. So
Yeah, please show me.
this was what I did.
Okay.
It's still incomplete, but
Yeah, it's nice. It's nice. Very nice. Do fill the center part, or you can make any pattern in this also.
okay.
These are the flower I'm going to show you how to make these. These are quilling 3D flowers. You can make them and then make a card out of it, like just you can arrange them.
Ma'am,
Yeah,
ma'am, my mandala,
please.
it is also incomplete.
Oh wow.
See my mandala.
Yes. Palak, it's very, very nice. Drashti is very, very nice. I'm very happy that you people have done a great job. If it is your first time, then well done.
Yes, ma'am, it's first time.
Very, very nice. So this, if you then make these, if you can make these flowers in the, then you can take a paper and then paste them, and then you can make a small greeting card like this. This you can write anything on. So how many of you are having this quilling needle? This one? Which is having a
Ma'am, I have.
little slot. Okay.
I also have.
So shall we start with the quilling part? First, let me show you how to make this flower. You people are having the color quilling strips also?
Yes, ma'am.
See this, you can find this kind of quilling strips in the market. Anyone of you having this kind of strips? Or you have a mixed pack, mixed color pack?
Ma'am, I have mixed pack.
Okay, that will do. Take any color, whichever flower you want to make. So, shall I start with the quilling part?
Yes, ma'am.
Take out. Yeah, I am right now. I am having a 3 mm width strips. Okay, 3 mm width, and that is about 44 centimeter long strip. So I'll just roll this strip with the help of this quiller. Can you see the slotting part? You have to just fix the strip in this like this. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am, visible.
Visible?
अबे इरेजर
So I will
Yes.
just fix the strip in this slotting portion. Then we'll just start rolling it. Keep on rolling this. Then remove this. You will get something like this. Please hold it tightly. Don't open it. Pinch it a little. And then just a small, you just open it. Then pinch it on the one side. Like this. After rolling, I just pinched it and then open it a little and then one side I pinched it so that it is like a drop like shape. Can you see? Now I'm going to put glue. I have this glue applicator, otherwise you can, I have this glue applicator which is having a very thin opening. So I usually use this to apply the glue. Just glue it and tighten it. So finally you have got this kind of a pattern, flower petal like this, like this. Otherwise you can use a normal Fevicol also. It is filled, Fevicol is filled in this. Normal Fevicol I'm using. Can you see this? Any of you can, have you made this kind of thing? Are you able to make this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you have to make 5 of these. 5 of this kind of thing. I'm just rolling it in front of you once again so that you can see. Just roll it and then pinch it a little so that in case you just open it directly, it will open very wide. Once you will pinch it, it will open up slowly. Just a bit, just open it and then just on pinch one side, apply the glue and close it. You have to make 5 of these to make one single flower. Quilling takes a lot and lot of time. Sometimes some big flowers took me around 2 hours to make a single flower. Are you able to roll it easily? Anyone who is doing it, can you easily do it? Are you finding it difficulty in enrolling this? I have to make 5 of these. Then I'll show you how to make the center.
भाई तुम लोग भी तो ज्वाइन कर सकते हो।
So I made these 5.
अरे छोड़ देना, ज्वाइन करके बस छोड़ देना ऐसे ही। हाँ, कौन सी आईडी है? कोई आईडी जिस पे नाम, हाँ हाँ कौन दोस्त को बुलाया केशव की आईडी। ये बता, हाँ नाम नाम
Have you made this 5?
किसी आईडी का अच्छा नाम है।
Yes, ma'am.
नाम चेंज कर दो जल्दी।
Okay.
No, ma'am, please wait.
Yeah, okay. Just make it, then just let me know.
हाँ बोरिंग मत अरे बोरिंग ही चलती है यार वर्कशॉप।
Just glue them.
Ma'am, I'm done with it.
Okay. For the center part, I'm taking 1/4 of this color and half of this color, and I'm going to join these two. This is how we'll get a 2-color center. Just 1/4 of one strip and half of the other strip. Any color you can choose. Like this, you will get a single piece like this in 2 colors. Just join them with a little glue. And after just waiting for a few seconds, then we'll roll this also. See this. I have just joined this at the center and start rolling it with the smaller portion, like the small, which is smaller, so that it will come at the center, and then yellow one will get at the outer one. Now this is called a tight coil. You don't need to open it, as you just roll it and then just close it with a glue. This is called the tight coil. See this. Use 2 colors, 1/4 and half of the strip, and then just roll it and just immediately close it with the glue. You'll get a tight coil like this. Now is part of the assembly of this flower. Shall I start assembling? Apply a little glue on the both sides, keep it on the paper, then you can join 2 of them with this. Okay, then again apply glue on the 2 sides, join it here, and this just join this. Arrange it like a flower, applying glue on the sides. How many of you have done this? Please arrange it after gluing like this. And put a little glue over it at the center and place that small coil and press it gently. Leave it for a few seconds so that the glue will be dried, and then I'll show you how to give it a 3D look. Like this is like, so that when you'll keep it on the paper, it is like this. Leave it only for a few seconds like this so that the glue will be dried. You can use these you can make a little smaller flowers. You can decorate a envelope which you would use for giving some money to some relatives or something like that, or make small cards out of it. You can make tags also, gift tags also, with these kind of small flower arrangements. So what to do next? Just take out this flower, keep it on your palm, take the center and press it a little. For a few seconds, just press it, and you will see that you will get a dimension in this. Like, just let it completely dry. So this I have made so many of out of like this. Same, a bit smaller I have made with half of the strip. In this I have used the full strip to roll down. Just use half of the strip, so you will get a smaller version of this. So this kind of flower you can make. So shall I show you a leaf also? Let me show you a leaf like this and this. Two kind of leaves I'll show you. For these you need a green quilling strip and divide it into halves, like around 22 centimeters is the length of the strip. Shall I go ahead with the leaves? These are the flowers. One is this one, big one is with a full strip, and this one is around 44 centimeter length strip. I have made this size, and with 22 centimeter of the length of the strip is this. Then the flower size will be this, and these are all 3 mm wet strips. You can use 5 mm also to make flowers.
Yes, ma'am, we can.
Same way the stuff. Pardon?
Ma'am, I was saying we can move forward to make leaves.
Pardon?
Hello?
Yeah?
Ma'am, I was saying we can move forward and make leaves.
Sure, make them. Yeah, exactly. So same way, I'm taking the half of the strip. It's around 22 centimeter in length. So I'll just start rolling this. First step is like this only. Quilling is just like rolling the strip and just turn them into different kind of. Now you just open it. Open it. Instead of flower we pinched on the single side, now we pinch on the both side, and you'll get a shape like this. After rolling, and then just open it, and then just pinch it on the both sides, we get a shape like this. Like this. Pinch it on the both sides. This is a basic to make for a leaf, and then here I have used 3 of them. Let me first make this for you. Open it, pinch it on both sides. Size can be varied. If you take half strip, 1/4 strip, full strip, and sometimes you can take 2 strips joined together to make a bigger leaf. Like 3 of them I have. Now I'll take the strip, place the glue here and make it double. I've just pasted it. And then again glue it so that I'll get a thick to make the stem of the leaf. I've just folded once 1/4 strip into half and then again half, gluing it. Now what I'll do, place glue on this.
आशीष तुम्हारी आईडी से ज्वाइन कर ली?
On the one side I have pasted this. Other side I have pasted like this.
ले लो।
And the one will go at the center. And then just glue them softly. Wait for a minute and you'll get a leaf like this, which is having a bit stronger stem so that you can hold it like this. Can you see this?
Yes, ma'am, visible.
Okay. Instead of just pasting these strips, you can take a, like that, you have to just cut by hand if you'll take a thicker paper sheet. But it is always easier, you get a uniform width if you'll just paste these strips only. Like take 1/4, then fold it like this and paste this, and then again paste this. In the same way, in this kind of leaf, you have to make the stem like that only, and you have to place the strips, leaves, this kind of thing in some distance. Then you will get this kind of thing. I hope I'm clear. So there are a number of ways you can close, just very closely you can place them. You'll get something like this. And one thing you can do, you can just color, there are different shapes you can make. These are around, this is made using 5 full strips. Center and then just curve them and just place them. There are so many type of leaves you can make. And this is the basic one which I've shown you. And these are only made out of tight holes. I hope I'm clear. Is anyone who has made, please, can you please show me?
Ma'am, I made flowers, but just completing the leaf.
Okay. You can try with so many patterns with quilling. Some things I have done, like I have taken coloring pages होते हैं ना जो, you find many coloring books. So I have taken a sheet out of that and just quill over it rather than coloring it. So I have many of them I have made. So maybe in future you'll say I'll take a session on that also. See how you can color the coloring sheet with quilling. You have to just put the quilling over all the coloring pages. And one is this one edge quilling where you have to cut the strips and then just paste them vertically. If I can show you. This is 5 mm strips I have. These are all hand cut strips. Thanks, Rakshit.
नहीं पता नहीं यार.
These are all hand cut strips, but for the base, I had a pre-drawn mandala on this, and that's just quilled over it. Thank you, Soumya.
I'm from
This
where
quilling
you
is
idea of making like quilling based mandalas.
quilling based mandalas. Actually, later on, I started doing this. I'm actually mathematics student. I did so a bit inclined towards the geometry and all. So I just make mandalas with quilling. Started doing and I enjoyed. So I have made many. And the one of the biggest I have made is the 50 centimeter diameter mandala in quilling, which is still lying with me. I hope I will be able to show it. Right now, it is not there with me.
But this one is
So mandala, I make different patterns. There are so many tools in quilling actually. So you make different shapes out of it, then start placing them around the. Earlier, in fact, when I use quilling mandalas, I have not even used the grid. Just by the flow, I just start making and then just completing it layer by layer. The quilling is very, very vast. Actually, it is very difficult to explain it in a session of 15-20 minutes. So every time there are different kind of things which I'm telling you. Coloring pages I have done with that. Similarly, I make names also with floral outlines or any theme which is given to me. And you can check out my page for that. I have uploaded so many things over there. So you'll get to know which actually I make out of quilling. And my main page name, I think it is mentioned in the poster which you have shared on your page. It is Man Quilling Creations by Neeru. And I have a mandala page also, Mandala Art by Neeru. Yeah, please, if you have done with the flowers, can you please show me?
Yes, people can turn on the videos and show their work.
Yeah, sure.
just a minute.
Yeah, please take your time. Because this session, I'll be able to show this much only in this much time.
I'm actually tried it for the first time. But yeah. Can you see? Hello?
Yeah, it is really very nice. Yeah, I can see it. For the first attempt, it is very, very nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
It's really good. So instead of you have placed the center part in the center only, you just try to place them above the flower.
Okay, ma'am.
So that will actually you can easily see. Like place the center over the flower.
Yeah, get it.
First join the petals closely so that there is no space left at the center and then put the center above it.
Anyone else wanted to show?
बैटरी हमारा इसका. Yeah, anyone who else can come? Is anyone else has completed with the flowers?
You can also ask if you have some doubt. Otherwise, we can wrap up this session.
Hello. I hope I'm able to do justice with your time. Oh, very nice. Very beautiful. Very, very beautiful.
I also tried the leaf with this.
Yeah, right. Sweet. Very sweet. बहुत अच्छा बना. Thank you so much, everyone, for giving me so much of time and patiently. You have done a wonderful job with the mandala also.
We are grateful to you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
The pleasure is all mine. It is good that you people have taken it very seriously and did with me. Drashti is very, very nice.
Can everyone turn on their camera and we can take photos with your artworks? I request everyone to turn on their camera.
Yeah, please. Debusmita, very nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hats off to you guys. You are in engineering. I have just saw your page yesterday. The kind of artwork you people are sharing right now is some event is going on your page. Like you have to submit the artworks. There are numbers written on this, like 60 number, 70 number. Some competition is going on.
Yes, ma'am. Kalakati is going on.
Okay. I was not expecting the engineering students can do this much of creativity. It was wonderful watercolor pieces, even mandala you have seen. So you people are very, very creative.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, for your time and FPC whole RTT. Thank you,
Same
ma'am.
here, same. I also enjoyed. I hope you people have enjoyed this session.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
We enjoyed it thoroughly.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am, for your time. In future, we wish to learn again from you.
Sure, I will love to. I will love to teach. In case any session you want from me on quilling, I think I would wish to share some quilling tips again because it very small time is given to quilling. So it is very difficult to show in this much of time.
Ma'am, actually, some people were not having the tools, so
Yeah, Viksit told me. Yeah, Viksit told me about it. Okay, anyways, I enjoyed a lot working with you people.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thanks a lot.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Sarvanshi.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thanks, everyone. Thanks, Agun. Thanks, Alagu.
I think all of you have uploaded your artworks, right?
Thank you, Drashti. Thanks, Piyush. Okay, shall I take a leave? Thanks a lot once again, every one of you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.